On this week's edition of Tory the Fan Man's Curb Finds, we have this thing. This is a purple Lasko Cool Colors fan. I found this yesterday on the side of the road. It was covered in rain, and, well, it followed me home. But anyway, I don't know why I really grabbed it. It was just one of those things, you know. I usually grab fans like this on the curb for parts or whatever else. But anyway, this is a purple Lasko. Obviously, we know what the biggest damage here is. The blade flew off, and it is laying down here, stuck in the fan brace. It's a 3-speed. Not too dirty, surprisingly, but it does have a funky smell to it. There's the blade again. No feet, because of course not. This is from 2021 to 2022. 0.8 amps. Yeah, I don't know why I grabbed it. I figured why not. Usually if they have a broken blade, they still work. So we're about ready to find out. So here's high. Well, it does work. It's causing quite the havoc. The medium. It's crawling on high. This is violent. Okay, it's drawing 0.68 amps on high. On medium, it's 0.57. And on low, everything is falling off the shelf. I don't know if there's anything I can... yeah, the fan does work, as it kind of just wanders away. On low, it's drawing 0.48 amps. But yeah, it does work, surprisingly. What I'll do with it, I have no idea, but it'll probably just get parted out, because I could use some of these parts off this thing. So, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.